We are here, Volcano Bay entering with Stephanie, my mom. We're happy time, family. Oh wow. That's Jamaica? Oh, look at the Jamaica plant. In Mexico they have this. We drink that. We drink that. You haven't drink? You gotta drink. Yeah, you gotta drink that. Yeah, it's good for you. You can drink it as tea. Yeah, tea. Look how beautiful this looks. It's nice. Wow. Like a jungle. We have a little Tay and Mama, and then Isaac, sleepy boy. Look at Bubba. Oh wow, look at that plant. Palm trees, Florida, thank God for another day, another year. Hallelujah. Here, Volcano Bay walkway. What is that? Carnival? Carnival? Wow. Oh, this is the elevator. This escalator. Same way. Has escalates. Escalator. Beautiful, nice, wow. Gotta make the line straight, Rose. Gotta make the line. It's Volcano Bay, official. Just made it here, Volcano Bay. Area.
You want to go find a spot?
We can take a picture. It's Volcano Bay. It made it. Official tissue. Here with my boy who woke up. The Prince. Say hi, Tay. Hi, Angelica. Hi. Hi. Say hi. And it's Dada. Dada with Stephanie and Grandma. You okay? Yeah, ma.
I should have been wrapping because I forget back. I don't want dinner. Volcano Bay. Okay. Let's go.
We're here, me and Angelica, me and Tay, me and baby girl, Angelica Smith. Hey, Miss Smith. How you doing, Miss Smith? Oh, recording, look. Tay. Recording, then it stops recording. What's going on? Wow, see? Little Tay. Little Tay and Dada. Come on, Tay. Hey, my boy, Isaac, Mr. Smith. Come here, Mr. Smith. Isaac, come here, my boy. Come here, Mr. Smith. Come here, Brooklyn. Come here, Manhattan. Come on. Come on, you Midtown baby. Come here, you city boy. So we're here in Florida. We hanging out for a little bit. Woo! See Taylor? Wow. He's too little, right? The sun is in his eyes. Do it quick. Woo! You like it? Wow. See it, Tay? Say something to the camera, Tay. Say hi, my name is Angelica. And Miss Angelica. Angelica Smith. Yeah, my baby girl. Look at my baby. Hey, boy, brother, mama. Oh, yeah. Isaac. Isaac. She said Isaac. Tay said it, you heard it?
Yeah, he said.
She said
Her
Isaac.
brother.
Woo. She got scared. She's comfy. You comfy? Say Isaac. Say Isaac. Say baby brother. Hello, Mr. Smith. Hello, Isaac. Say Isaac. Say hi, mama. Say hello.
I want him to be cool.
Isaac. Hey, you little stub muffin. How you doing, stub muffin? Hi. Hello, cute boy. Hey, you were here with us, Chino? Yeah, you see? That's Dada, Mama, Isaac. Baby shark. Baby shark. Baby shark.
Oh, nice.
Could have the mist?
Yeah.
Yeah, whoa. You okay? Wow. See? Wow. Look at mama. Wow. Look at mama with Isaac boy. See? Huh? Make sure what?
I got him.
Like this. The eyes of the diente in the front. Turn it off. Yeah, look at this. Baby shark. Right?
Yeah, I got
Okay, give me that.
her diaper. Her swim diaper.
Okay, watch it. I see a thing going on. Yeah, be careful with that.
Her swim diaper.
Hi, my boy. Hey, my little boy. Hi, Isaac. We love you, bye-bye. Hi. See? Been recording, my boy. Oh, yeah. See? You like it? Wow. It's going to be, how you say? It's going to be hot, but he's going to be, what do you call it? Bored. Yeah, hot. I'm recording you and Isaac.
She's cool right here.
Yeah, it's not that cold, eh?
No, he's good. He's cool. What's that?
Action. Falda. Wanna go, mama? Wanna switch? Huh? For a second, yeah. Let me get my boy. Here you go, mama. Switch right here, yeah.
Make sure he moves so
I got him.
his life fast.
Yeah. Say, I got you, my boy. Whee!
Yeah, he's chilling. He likes it.
Oh, he's floating. He's good, he's good. Wow. Woo. I got him.
The sun again.
Yeah, he's good, he's good. You got my boy? Yeah.
You know you need a hand.
I got him. Good, Tay. Wow, Tay. Big girl. Stand up. There you go. Play. Wow, you trying to balance? You don't like the sun, my boy? Hold it for a second. I got him. Hi, my boy. Hi, Mr. Isaac. Report me for a second. Go ahead. Yeah, tastes good. Oh. Yeah, I got the hoodie. Oh, yeah. I got the hoodie on my face. I want to be in control. I want to be in control.
Is recording on this side? Hi, Angie. Hi, Papa. Hi, baby boy. Hi.
My boy, head up good with the head to the side. Good boy, lady.
You're smiling. Hi, Papa. Hi.
Say don't splash. Don't splash your boy. Ooh, wow, we're in Volcano Bay. Yeah, me, my boy, my girl, my family. Oh yeah, Volcano Bay. Yeah.
Oh, there's a bun over there.
Oh, you can puffed up, boy. His diaper's puffed
Yeah, her
up.
diaper's puffed, yeah.
Yeah, his puffed up too.
I didn't bring him swimmers because I didn't thought he was gonna go in the water that much, but it's fine.
Oh, boy, it's out right now. See? I ain't doing that down, so you took that down, so you just know. Oh, my boy. Woo! Show his feet, show his feet.
Huh?
Woo, show his feet, show his feet. Show his feet. Woo! Woo! You saw him? He floated.
Yeah.
Look, he floats. Wow, look, he floats, but it's not no hands.
Careful, careful. And that's why it's a float. Yeah, that's
why
why
it's a lifeboat, you see?
Oh, man.
He floats. I love you, my boy. He's a little cute boy. He's a cute boy. He's a cute boy.
He's smiling. The sun. Can it tie it? Can it tie it?
Nah. I got you, my boy. See? Your sister. I got you. Good boy. Go ahead, Tay. Let me see, Tay. 1, 2. Wow, 3. Woo, good girl. Yay. 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 Tay. Wow, Tay. Woo. Good girl. Tay.